Grab your weights, come on, let's give the legs a little recovery. Switch to some burning arms and shoulders. Find a stable stance with your feet shoulder width apart. And then let's go for a little biceps curl. So stick your upper arms towards your upper body, elbows close to your body. Good. Think about the shoulders. Don't allow them to roll forwards and inwards. Bring them back and down. Open up your chest. Whew. Take a deep breath in, positive energy in, negative energy out. And then let's add another movement. We're gonna go for a biceps curl and then lift your arms up. Little shoulder raise here to warm up the shoulders. Palms are facing upwards. Lengthen the arms. Good work. What about your stance? Keep the legs slightly bent, so stay active. Don't do this. So bending the legs, lengthening the lumbar spine, keeping the core active. Good. Now keep the arms long and just lift and lower. Lift and lower. Elbows slightly bent. Last 4, 3. Next, we're gonna stay high with the arms and bring the right elbow in slowly. In and lengthen. Now the left arm, bring the elbow in close to your body and extend. Now 2 times both arms at the same time. Woo. You got it? If you want to speed it up. So, right, extend, left, 2 times both. Good work. Come on, one arm, then the other, 2 times both. It's just optional, but feel free to speed it up. It's right, left, both. It's not a race, so feel free to take it to your own pace, okay? If the dumbbells are too heavy, skip the weights and keep going without. Our aim is to keep moving. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Keep the arms long, and we're gonna bend the right arm and stretch. Now the left one, bend and stretch. Now surprise, 2 times both arms. Good, a little biceps curl, but keep your upper arm steady and calm. Ready, again, so right arm. Don't move the upper arm. Don't drop the upper arm. Just bend and stretch the elbows, bringing the dumbbells towards the shoulders and stretch. Ready, double time. So bend, 2 times here. Remember, if it's too fast, slow it down. It's your workout. Make the workout work for you. Hop, hop. Listen, keep the shoulders away from your ears. Long neck. Woo, single, single, double, double, single. Ah, man, the shoulders working here. Last one. Now keep the arms bent and we're gonna open up. Woo, and bring the forearms together. Squeeze here. Good, now with squeezing the forearms, you're gonna activate the chest muscle. Oh, burning. Feel free to speed it up, but it's optional. Take it to your own pace. Keep the elbows in one line with the shoulders. Don't drop. Come on. Stay strong. And then hold the arms at the side. And we're gonna extend the right arm up slowly and bring it back in. Now the left. Little shoulder press here. Now both arms. Good. Without pulling the shoulders to the ears. Ready if you want to speed it up. Just optional. Right, left, and double, and double. Here we go. Ha. Breathe. Don't arch your spine. Stay controlled. Good. Let's go for 4 more rounds. 4. Come on, don't stop. Stick to it. It's worth it. 2 more, 2 more. Last one. Now the finisher. We're gonna lengthen the right arm. Bring it back in. Now the left. surprise, double, double, and bring it back in. Please move your arms in front of your upper body, close your rib arches, ready, double time, let's go. Right and left, and both. Remember, our aim is to keep moving, so if your dumbbells are too heavy, just skip, okay? Keep going. Single, single. Halftime is over, just 4 more. And pull the shoulder blades together into the lower back. Just 3. Good, here are the last 2. Hop, hop. Last one. Now keep both arms long and breathe for 8. 8. And 7, come on, long arms. 6. 5, draw the navel in towards the spine. Stay strong, come on, the last 4. 3, 2, 1, drop the weights. Woo, amazing work. Drop the weights to the side, you don't need them anymore. Thank you so much for working out with me, I really enjoyed it, I hope you too. If you didn't know it yet, we also have some live streams via Zoom. I hope to get to know you there. Let's chat, let's work out together. I can give you real-time feedback there if you want to, so don't miss it. You can find the link over here or continue with one of my free YouTube workouts over here. Hope to see you there.